Welcome back to Weather Command. We are covering an ice storm right now impacting Texas. No school today.
School's been canceled for the day.
Yeah!
It's a no school day, it's a home.
Really?
You're not going to school.
They said that?
Bye.
A snow day. A snow day? It's a snow day. Snow day!
Let's go outside and share the love.
That is your mind. Wait, that is so deep.
It's a winter wonderland.
That is so
Listen, Carter came to say, oh.
Snow day, it's a snow day. Snow day, no school today.
Canceled.
Snow day, it's a snow day. Share the love every day.
Share the love. Woke up.
Oh, look at that. What is that? What kind of animal is that?
That looks like a bird.
What is that? How cute!
Like a roadrunner.
Can y'all tell me what that is? Look, and there's only one. Oh, there's another one right there.
Roadrunner.
Okay, so that's why Rosemead is called the Rosemead Roadrunners then. Look at that, they're over here too. Look, y'all. What are these? How dare you? What happened? Oh my god! Oh my god! Why didn't I get that on video? Are you okay? Do you need help?
No, I was just
Oh my god!
Take the camera off.
I am so sorry we didn't get BB and Phone. I'm so sorry. Okay, she's up. No one needs to call 911.
That was weird. I just slipped it.
Oh my god. Did y'all see that? Oh, Peggy's laughing.
My elbow.
Oh no, do we need to call 911? Because we have. What did you say? What did I say? Look at that, all the icicles. Would y'all please send us some photos? Oh my god! Not again! I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing at you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, look at all those kids. Do you want me to get those kids to help you?
I don't want to play anymore.
Are you good? Mark, say, look at Evelyn over here. Oh no! Hold on, look at this. Get your tongue off of it now.
That's all, folks.